Hello everybody, welcome to the classes by Mrs. Monisha Nathpal. We were doing the topic mensuration. Today I have come with another sum based on the topic mensuration. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 36 centimeter and breadth is 32 centimeter. If the wire is bent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. So the sum is, there is a wire which has been bent into the shape of a rectangle. Say for example, I have taken this blue wire which I have tried to bend in the shape of a rectangle. So the length of the wire is 36 centimeter and breadth of the wire is 32 centimeter. Now the same wire is used, if the same wire is bent in the shape of a square. Now I have used this same wire to make a square. So you have seen that the same wire was used to make both the figures. So from the first part, what I can see is, the first is the wire is in the shape of a rectangle. So the length of the rectangle is 36 centimeter. The breadth of the rectangle is 32 centimeter. Now what is the length of the wire? That is, if I find the perimeter of the wire, that will be the length of the wire. That is the boundary. What is the boundary? The outer length. And what was the outer the boundary made up of? It was made up of the wire. Okay. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 36 plus 32 centimeter. That is 136 centimeter. Now the perimeter of the rectangle is, what? The length of the wire. This is the wire and this is making the rectangle. So the length of the wire is actually what? The perimeter of the rectangle. So length of the wire is equal to perimeter of the rectangle, which is equal to 136 centimeter. Now the same wire was again used to make a square. What remains the same? The perimeter remains the same. Means why perimeter remains the same? Because the wire is not being changed. The same wire is used. The two different shapes are made with the same wire. So the perimeter of both the shapes is the same. So perimeter of the square will be what? This will also be equal to 136 centimeter. Alright, because the same wire was used here in this case also. So we have to find the measure of each side. So side of the square will be what? Perimeter by 4. Perimeter divided by 4 is 136 by 4 centimeter. That is equal to 34 centimeter. 34 centimeter, which is the length of each side of the square. Now till here we have finished the sum. Now also find which shape encloses more area. In order to find this, we have to find the areas of both the figures. So the area of the rectangle will be what? Length into breadth, that is 36 into 32 centimeter square, which is equal to 1152 centimeter square, whereas area of the square formula is side square, which is equal to, I have got 34 here, so 34 into 34 centimeter square, which is equal to 1156 centimeter square. Now from here and from here, what you can see, which figure encloses more area? The square encloses more area. So Therefore, area, which figure or which shape encloses more area? So, the square encloses more area. So, this can be used for different shapes. It can be a rectangle bent into a circle bent into a rectangle, or a circle bent into a square, whatsoever it is. The basic concept behind this is that the perimeter for all the shapes will remain the same. Reason being, the same wire is used to make all the shapes. That is the basic concept lying in this sum. So I hope your concept was made clear. I could help you out in clearing your concept in this sum. I'll meet you again in my next video. I'll come up with some more sums of this kind. Thank you.